What's up, guys? So I wanted to give you an update about what I've been doing because I haven't done a lot. So this past month's been crazy busy. I've been seriously getting to work on rebuilding a motorcycle. Seriously getting to work. It is a 1985 Honda Nighthawk cb450sc, which is a lot. I just call it cb450. And it's a work in progress. It was running with the AirPods on. I had to put filters on it. I got it running. But now it's not running because I put the air filter box back on. I ordered the boot that I didn't have before. I got a new filter from K&N. And now it's kind of a bummer because it's not starting anymore. It would start and idle, but it wouldn't accelerate. And now that I put all this stuff back on, it won't start. So that's very annoying. But in the meantime, I've been working on other things for it. So I worked on getting the seat reupholstered. I just picked a red from Hobby Lobby and reupholstered it. It works. It looks all right. Not exactly what I wanted, but it'll do. What else? I have reupholstered. Okay, I already said that. I reupholstered the seat. I still need to work on, things I've done to it. I have wired the headlight to it, wired the tail light and turn signals. I think I have a bad turn signal switch, so I'm getting that replaced, and then I'm going to be able to wire the turn signals onto that. And I'm replacing this, the front brake cylinder lever. That's next, is bleeding that line to get that right. But here is what I've done so far. A lot of time lapses basically is what I've been doing. This is a new process for me, so we're gonna see how it goes. But if you have any idea what would be wrong with it, please let me know, because I'd really like to get it running. Seriously getting to work, that would be good. That would be really good. Cool. Thanks.